See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
You know what I'm saying? Now we they done with this side. Pride day. Show the eye. My shoulder day here. I'm a rat. Who are you? Who are you? Somebody say I'm a rat. Who are you? I'm a rat. Who are you? Tell me who you be. I want to know. I'm a rat. Who are you? Oh. AIG Must go apologize. We are waiting. 24 hours. Yes, we are waiting. It's very, very important. Go and apologize. Go and apologize. When I say we talk car, smart court giving an order. Order. It is an order from the court. Don't be saying a will. No, it's no will. No, I beg. We only ask from the court. The court has said stop harassing a criminal and do a public apology. Yes. Now we the runner. I'm a rat. See the ego parts. we are the true king of the jungle. Don't worry. I'm a rat. Who are you? I'm a rat. Who are you? Ask that question. Put that in the comment section. I'm a rat. Who are you? See, don't worry. Our time, because you go better. Now your time, your belief. You don't understand. Now our time, now we go turn out to become better country. Even if now only the accountability very that one break on, is enough. Don't worry, it's enough. It's enough. No worry, it's enough. AIG, go and do apology. Me come back and tell us who be body. You don't understand. Come back and tell us who is body after the public apology.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
Lazarus died. Jesus raised him. Is he still alive? But the Wright brothers did not only bring aircraft, and it has helped humanity more than the testimony of Lazarus. The testimony of Lazarus cannot affect GDP.
The same guy that wants to debate me, they sent me a video of the man where he said that the resurrection of Lazarus is useless to the economy of the country. That's telling he has won the debate. How can he say that the resurrection of Lazarus is of useless relevance? These people, they don't know Jesus at all. They sent me a video of the man where he said that the resurrection of Lazarus is useless to the economy of the country. That Jesus raising Lazarus was a waste of resource. That how did Lazarus contribute to the GDP of the country? Materialistic gospel. These prosperity pimps, there's nothing they will not say. So he views the resurrection of Lazarus from the binoculars of economic value. That is not a man who knows the gospel. No, I can't waste my time debating him. That's why I say tell him he has won. Did I say that? Please give him his flowers. Give him his flowers. Give him water leaf. Give him bitter leaf. All those are flowers. Tell him he has won the debate. How can he say that the resurrection of Lazarus is of useless relevance? These people, they don't know Jesus at all. Look at John 11:4. Let's help him a bit in case he's watching this service. And if it's not, tag him, hold him. John 11:4. When Jesus heard that, he said, this sickness is not unto death, but for the glory of God, that the Son of God might be glorified thereby. Something that gives God glory. The man is making mockery of a resurrection, and he is rendering useless what Jesus calls the glory of God. And all these prosperity mongers will not say anything about that. But when Damina says we know more than Isaiah, which is true, they take that and abuse us. He said, this sickness is for the glory of God. Look, Jesus saith unto her, said I not unto thee, that if thou wouldest believe, thou shouldest see the glory of God? If you will see the glory of God. Look at verse 4.
Download Find Am now from Google and App Store, and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services, and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
And approve it, because I've seen the end. And unfortunately, my destiny look as though it's intertwined with this bunch of motherfuckers who know the truth but will not say it or show it to the public. So I shout every day so that those that are not aware will be aware. Disunity has eaten into our core. It has destroyed us more than the corruption we talk about. It's the thing that is speeding the rate of the reaction of corruption. It is the, what is that in the quality? What is that in the quality in chemistry? It is the catalyst.
Now, for the record, who here and now they do this video now go call a better person. You don't understand? Nigeria now, our habit is a habit. Even she, when they do this video, so she get that habit. When very dark man begin, they call out AIG Must. These people kept quiet, like saying the matter no concern them. I thought this issue was supposed to concern every concerned citizen of Nigeria that believes that Nigeria should be a better place. All of them, they kept quiet. You want to see if now one of them, they call out this AIG with this kind of strong evidence. They post this kind of strong evidence against the AIG. You want to say very dark man go keep quiet? Because very dark man believe in one Nigeria. But you see them, as they did for their soul, they use the arts as say they believe in one Nigeria. Oh. If they see one person they drain now, they go they corner they laugh. Imagine imagine the other day for year. Because you know what care to know whether the thing are truth. You don't see they say when they try one set up, wait till they call that boy, that man, wait till they call this guy again so Prince Will. Because you don't see we see one set up, you don't go live, you don't they talk, you don't they put fire, you don't they laugh. But say important issue, you didn't say a word. One word you not talk. This is you now addressing data people. They address data people. And for the data people, it's a shame to you people. That you people drive on our own. I think say data na one oh. Even me, I married data. My wife is on data. Now worry, I dey say all of them be. In fact, I dey even say worry is different from Asaba. When I dey grow, now when I call the read state and capital, when I call the no state and capital, where? When I call the really, I think say worry is a different place entirely. I don't know say that inside data state all of them day. I was think that maybe worry day on your own. Everybody for inside the worry for inside there. So at least now one they be. In fact, I don't even believe that there is Sissoko and there is what's it they call?
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Yeah, APC, see how they bullied people. This is how APC have been winning election lately in our country. This is how they won Ekiti election. Hear them. Yes, this is how APC threatened labor in Lagos 2023 that they must not come out. If they come out, it's problem. This is the same way Oyebangi Ekiti State won his election, wrote his result, Dabaru everything, block PDP from coming out. You can see this is the same pattern. They are saying don't come out. If you come out, if you are not APC, you don't buy. Is this a party? You yourself think before you support them. Is this a party? Can this happen abroad? How can you tell people if you are not voting APC, don't come out? APC, they are doing too much in this country and we are taking it too much. It is time you tell them, Osun people, that Irolepa, we are coming out to vote. It is your civic right, civic duty to vote. Come out and vote. Don't listen to them. And DSS, police, EFCC, ICPC, civil defense, are you guys not seeing this? Are you guys not watching this video? Or does this video look like AI to you guys? Look at what is going on in a country, a whole senator.
Download Find Them now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.